You found yourself in a little bit of credit card debt. So you worked through that. That was an experience you had, and you said, okay, well, I'm not going to do that again. That's like touching the stove when you're a kid. You realize, okay, that burns. I'm not doing that anymore. So that worked, right?
No, I did it again.
Oh,
But, it's
did
because
it work the second time?
life happens, I guess. And I guess when I'm thinking about, again, as I get even more financial awareness working with you, I don't get too down on myself because I feel like I'm just, like we always say, hashtag learning. And I do have that
Exactly.
mindfulness now of keep cash, right? The reason it happened the second time is because I didn't have enough cash reserves and I had to go
Mm-hmm.
back into the debt. And I thought I was doing a good thing by paying off the debt and putting all my cash there. But then when I had an unexpected situation, I had to go into the debt again. So I learned a really important lesson about, even though you have debt, you always need to have that backup. If your car breaks down, if you lose a job, if you need a medical procedure, whatever it might be. But imagine, if I had learned experientially when I was eight.
As a kid, right?